Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to How to Guide YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can target US audience in TikTok, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account in TikTok and already logged in, and now right after that you'll be able to see the interface of TikTok apps on the screen, where you can see profile icon at top right corner. Just hover over there and you'll be able to see settings option. Once you tap on it, you will be redirected to the another section where you can see account reason option, and at right side you will be able to see your reason. Just tap over there, and now finally you need to choose for US. Let's search for United States. Scroll a little bit down and you can see United States over here. Just tap on it, and now finally click on next, and you'll be able to target US audience successfully. So basically this is how you can target US audience in TikTok. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.